Well, in New York's hospitals, doctors are taking a closer look at the impact on children. This comes days after British health officials warned that COVID-19 could be causing a rare, life-threatening inflammatory disease in kids. News 4's Melissa Russo broke the story about possible cases last night. She has an update now.
One of several children we first told you about, a toddler who was at NYU Langone Hospital for what her mom described as a terrifying 5 days. Her fever spiked at 106. The child was diagnosed with the inflammatory sickness known as Kawasaki disease, and her mother says her doctors suspect a link to COVID-19 because the girl's family members had the virus. Weeks later, the child developed some of the inflammatory symptoms like red eyes, rash, swollen hands and feet that you see here, documented in a new case study published in the upcoming issue of Hospital Pediatrics. We also reported 2 such cases at Mount Sinai Hospital right now.
We are hearing reports from various parts of the U.S. Some of them sound very similar to what has been described in the UK, Europe, and now in New York.
Today, the American Academy of Pediatrics tells us this is what doctors around the U.S. are talking about right now. Children here in the U.S. presenting with inflammatory symptoms, similar to about a dozen cases reported by Britain on Sunday. But nobody can say for sure whether the cases are connected to COVID-19. The New York City Health Department says they can't say whether COVID is causing a spike in Kawasaki cases because hospitals are not required to report Kawasaki cases to the health department. We asked Mayor Bill de Blasio today if that is something he wants to change.
I'm concerned because, you know, Melissa, we've talked about from the beginning, we're dealing with the great unknown here. We've got to figure out how to understand it better and if it is something to be tracked.
To date, we have not heard of ways in which the coronavirus has been affecting children's cardiovascular system. We do have regular ongoing calls with infectious disease specialists throughout the city.
Several pediatricians today stressing the importance of the health department tracking any potential consequences of COVID-19, especially in children. The CDC also tells us today they are looking closely at all of the data. Melissa Russo, News 4, New York.